I did my research into about 13 different Canadian REITs, and those are the 5 that I decided to go to just from their distribution yield and their performance over the last year to date, 1 year and 5 years, as well as just what they actually invest into. To me, I felt like those were good things to invest into. Again, you need to do your own research. This is not advice. I'm not telling you what you should invest into. There are other options of different industries of REITs as well. There's residential, which is apartment buildings, townhouse complexes, stuff like that. But the growth and distribution yield of those relies heavily on the percentage of tenants and the changes in the rental market. So it can be a little bit unreliable. There's also office REITs or office buildings, but again, unreliable, especially over the last 5 to 6 years. A lot of offices have closed and gone to remote. So the one that I had looked into for office had a negative downtrend for the last 5 years. I know a huge part of that would have been from COVID, which was about 6 years ago, but that was just not something that I wanted to risk investing into. It also had a very high distribution yield. That can be a red flag in itself. And unusually high yield is often the market telling you something is wrong. So that could be that the investors expect problem. And just from the research that I've done, felt like it wasn't a good idea to go with. Plus the negative downtrend that it's been on over the last 5+ years was just not something that I wanted to get into. But that's everything that I know, with a little bit of help from Google, about the REITs that I currently have. If you want to know more about them or have questions, feel free to ask. If I don't know it, I will try to find the answer for you. My next plan for my investments is to start investing in ETFs. I'm still doing my research for it though. I've done research into about 24 different Canadian ETFs at this time and just weighing the pros and cons, the different types, and just trying to make decisions. I have about 4 chosen so far, but until I actually make the decision and invest in them, I'm not going to share it. But I will make another video about those when the time comes. If you enjoyed hearing about my investments and growth so far, hit that follow button and follow me along for this journey. And if you haven't already, start investing. Even if it's only $5 or $10 a month, it's never a bad time to start.